So this is the SR latch circuit. This is the diagram, including the pull-down resistors. And this is, of course, the truth table. So these two buttons correspond to the inputs. This button is S and this is R. And you will see now that they'll behave basically like this truth table says they should. So currently it's in the forbidden state, but if we set R to 1 over here and S to 0, then it resets in this nomenclature Q to 1. Then if we bring both on, it's holding. Then if we set S on this side to 1 while R is 0, Q will go to 0. And then we hold, and it's held at 0. So again, this is reset Q to 1, hold, set Q to 0, hold. And in the next video, I'll show the forbidden state, sort of the behavior there. But for now, let's see, we need to do circuit checks of the supply voltage. So now, as you can see, that's 5 volts with the S input, and I should see the same for the R. If I can get this to work right. There we go. Yep, that's the R. And I guess we could measure the resistors as well. Yep, they are about 1 kiloohm each, as expected. So problems run into in this lab, there weren't really that many. It was a pretty easy lab. In the end, as you can see, we built a latch that can store, it can store memory basically. So it's the basis of memory in computers and combinational logic circuits. And I believe that's everything that this video needs to include.